So I'm pretty bad at applying screen protectors, but I do need a new screen protector for this iPhone SE, and I'm sure many of you guys watching do as well. So I thought I'd review this guy, which is the ESR Screen Protector. I've kind of opened it already because I actually kind of messed up the first install, but anyways, they give us two thankfully, and so let's hopefully nail this one. And I thought I'd record it because, you know, some of you guys wondering how the process is can see it live as I try to do it. So yes, let's see what actually comes in the box first. We have the tool thing that aligns the protector for you, which is pretty nice. We have the actual cleaning kit. So this comes with the dust stickers, microfiber cloth, and also the alcohol wiping cloth thing, which is pretty nice. And finally, we have the actual protector itself, but we'll leave that aside for now because we do have to clean the device. There are tons of fingerprints and smudges all over this brand new SE, so yes, we need to wipe that off. So I'm sure you guys know how this works, but if I can open this, let me try and get into this. Okay, it's already flopping. There we go. Okay, so inside we have, obviously as I mentioned, the cleaning stuff, and we should begin probably with the alcohol wipe. So peel this open. There you go. And start wiping. And I will wipe for a few minutes probably. Actually, I don't know how long, but just wipe for some time. And yeah, make sure the device is clean. Right, so that is some minutes of cleaning and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go and move over to the microfiber cloth, wipe it down with this so the residue is not there. And yeah, hopefully there is no dust on this. Okay, so the last step is using this dust sticker because you never know, there might be dust. So make sure to just cover the whole area. Nearly knocked over the tripod there, but anyways. There we go. It's pretty fun, to be honest. Ooh. Sounds like a good beat, to be honest. I think that's good enough, but yeah, put that to the side. And now, let's move on to the actual applying part. Right, so the next part is to get this actual, what's this called? Aligning tool, and put it to the actual device. So just fit it on like that, it clips on, pretty nice. Now, should be the applying part. Now hopefully, this is a pretty decent install. If not, then of course I'm gonna give them a bad review. But hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not that bad. So yeah, device is clean for the most part. Let's peel this off. And hopefully, this should work.
A few moments later.
Slowly take off the precise alignment tool. Pretty nice. And let's try and get some of these bubbles out with my hand. Hopefully it's a good install. I'm hoping. Let's see. Because I messed up the first time, so I don't want to mess up the second time. Okay, yeah, I do see. Somehow we had. Can you guys see that? Like some dust just there. I don't know where that came from, but so out of 5 possible Amazon stars, how many would I give this? Well, right now, as it stands, I'm gonna say 3. Now, this was pretty inexpensive, and for the most part, the viewing area of the protector is fine and is very clear, but of course, it's not perfect. And yes, like I said, I'm not great at installing protectors, but to be honest, the whole point of protectors like this is to make them foolproof, and this clearly kinda is not. And so yes, right now as it stands, I'm a little disappointed with the bubbles and the fact this is a second install. So yeah, let me know if there are any questions about this in the comments below, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.